In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the zoom on Skype. Welcome. If you're finding the text or images on Skype a bit too small to see comfortably or perhaps too large and taking up too much space, adjusting the zoom level is an easy fix to make your Skype experience better, tailored to your needs. Whether you're using Skype for personal conversations or professional meetings, being able to clearly see who you're talking to and what you're sharing is key. First things first, let's get you logged into Skype. Open up your preferred web browser and visit the Skype website. Here you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on that. If you're not already signed in, Skype will prompt you to enter your account details, fill in your username and password, and you'll be brought to your Skype dashboard. Now to the part you're here for, changing the zoom. Once you're logged in and looking at your contacts or any conversation, changing the zoom level is incredibly simple but super effective. All you need to do is press the Control key, or Command if you're on a Mac, the Shift key and the plus key on your keyboard all at the same time. Each time you press these keys together, the zoom will increase, making everything on your screen larger and easier to see. Maybe you've zoomed in too much? No problem. Just press the Control or Command, Shift and the minus key to decrease the zoom level. It's that simple to adjust the zoom to find the perfect setting for your vision and comfort. Remember, this zoom level will stay as you set it across all your conversations and calls until you decide to adjust it again using the same steps. So you won't need to fiddle with the settings every time you log in. Adjusting the zoom can make a significant difference in how comfortably you can interact with Skype, especially during those longer meetings or chats. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of keystrokes, you've successfully adjusted the zoom on Skype to better suit your viewing preferences. This small adjustment can greatly enhance your Skype experience, ensuring you're not straining to see the screen or missing out on the fine details in video calls. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you get more out of your Skype conversations.